Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can fix TikTok not eligible for the For You feed. So you can do it by the 3 steps like you will see. If you are eligible, like you have under or like older than 16, you can post your content on the TikTok account. You will be verified or like your content will be valid, so then TikTok will be eligible to share your like post or the content that you have uploaded on TikTok. They will send it to the For You page or like that. So in case if you have the low connection or like little bit slow speed of your internet, so you have to make sure that you have good speed of internet to upload or like browse TikTok. But in case if you have the good speed and you are eligible for TikTok contents or like you have never faced any community guidelines about TikTok, so you have to do is open up your TikTok app and go to your profile, and then you will see I have also facing this issue. Like I want to complain this, you have to simply click on the 3 lines and go to settings and privacy. You have to simply scroll all the way up and click on help center, and then you will see over here this menu, and then you have to simply chat with us. Click on the customer support, and then you will comes in the this TikTok support. You have to simply click on this traffic button, and then they will ask you a bunch of questions over here. I want to grow my account, why my refunds withdraw failed or like that. These are the options that you are facing. So by any chance, if you are not promotion or cancel your promotion or like unsatisfied with your promotion results, or I want to grow my account. So in my case, I want to grow my account, so click on the first option, and then you will see over here another bunch of questions over here. So you have to simply answer these questions and accurate answers, like you are facing this issue, and then they will resolve for you if you are eligible for the contents or like TikTok community guidelines. And by any chance you are not qualified, so you have to simply wait until you are qualified, or like you have to simply report them, and then they will review your report, and then they will verify you. So that's how you can enable to upload your videos or like content to view all the people's in the world, or like your content will be uploaded on For You feed. So that's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like more videos, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.